Hello guys, welcome to solve this mathematical problem, which is ab minus 7 power of 2, which is equal to a square plus b square, and find the value of a and b. And we have a restriction here: a and b must be an element of positive integer. So let's go to the solution to find the value of a and b to satisfy, or which satisfies this equation. So let's recall the problem. ab minus 7 power of 2, which is equal to a square plus b square. Now all we have to do is converting this equation or this expression into a standard algebraic expression. So to do that, let's add 2 times of ab on both sides. Add 2 times of ab on both sides. So it will be ab minus 7 power of 2 plus 2 times of ab, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So let's write it again: ab minus 7 power of 2 plus 2 times of ab, which is equal to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So the expression here is in the form of a plus b square. So now it will be ab minus 7 power of 2 plus 2 times of ab, which is equal to a plus b power of 2. So the expression here is in the form of a minus b the whole square, or we can say, you can use x and y. It will be a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So where a is ab and b is 7, so this expression will be ab the whole square minus 2 times of a is ab and b is 7 times ab plus b square, that's b is 7, so 7 square plus 2 times of ab, which is equal to a plus b power of 2. So now it will be a b square minus 14 times ab plus 49 plus 2 times of ab, which is equal to a plus b power of 2. So now let's collect like terms, that's minus 14 ab times and also 2ab. So it will be ab square minus, this is the whole ab, minus 14ab plus 2ab minus 12ab plus 49, which is equal to a plus b power of 2. Now we have ab square minus 12ab plus 49, which is a plus b the power of 2. So all we have to do here is we have to decompose this 49 for simplification. So this 49 can be 49, which is equal to, can be expressed as sum of a number which is a perfect square, that is 36, plus the remaining one is 13. So it will be AB square minus 12AB plus 36 plus 13, which is equal to A plus B power of 2. Now AB square, this can be 6 square, so plus 6 square minus 12AB plus 13, which is equal to A plus B power of 2. So we can write this one as AB square plus minus 12AB plus 6 square plus 13, which is equal to A plus B power of 2. So this expression here is in the form of A minus B square, which is equal to A square minus 2 times of AB plus B square, where A is AB and B is 6. So let's express this one in the form of this. So this expression will be AB minus, it will be minus 6, because B is 6, square plus 13, which is equal to A plus B power of 2. Now let's rearrange this equation. So A13, which is equal to A plus B power of 2 minus AB minus 6 power of 2. So this equation here is in the form of x square minus y square, which is equal to x plus y times x minus y. Here x is A plus B, and also y is AB minus 6. So this will be 13, which is equal to x plus y, that's x is A plus y, so A plus B plus y is A minus B, so plus A B minus 6 times AB times, so x minus y, so x is A plus B, A plus B, and y is minus AB minus 6. So 13, which is equal to A plus B plus AB minus 6 times A plus B minus AB plus 6. So now we do have two possibilities. So by factorizing the product, this one, so 13, so it's a prime factor, so it can be 13 times 1, which is equal to a plus b plus ab minus 6 times a plus b minus ab plus 6. 13 can be also factorized as minus 13 times 1 times minus 1, which is equal to this term. So we do have 4 possibilities to find the value of a and b from this equation. So possibility 1 will be a plus b minus plus ab minus 6, which is equal to minus 13, and a plus b minus ab plus 6 is equal to minus 1. And also the second possibility, that is a plus b plus ab minus 6 is equal to minus 1, and a plus b minus ab plus 6, which is equal to minus 13. And also we do have another possibility, that is the third possibility, a plus b plus ab minus 6, 13, and a plus b minus ab plus 6, which is equal to 1. This is another, and also the last possibility will be a plus b plus ab minus 6 is equal to 1, and a plus b minus ab plus 6 is equal to 30. So let's see each one by one. So when we consider this one, so we do have 2a plus 2b, which is equal to minus 14. So from here, 2 into a plus b, which is equal to minus 14. So a plus b is equal to minus 7. So when we substitute this minus 7 into one of this equation, so minus 7 minus 13, so ab will be minus, let's substitute here minus 7, so minus 7 minus 6, which is minus 13, plus 13, so it will be 0. So ab will be 0. So finding the number whose sum is minus 7 and whose product is ab, so probably minus 7 and 0 will be the two numbers, but from the beginning we have a limit, so a and b must be an element of positive integer. So here it is minus 7, so this is not a possible solution, because a and b would be negative. So let's see the second one. So in a similar manner, it will be 2a plus 2b, which is equal to minus 14. So a plus b is minus 7. So let's substitute minus 7 here. Minus 7 minus 6. So it will be ab will be 12, because here is minus 13, so plus 13, so 12. But also we have a negative integer, so finding a number whose product is 12 and also whose sum is minus 7. So here we have a probability of, so a and b has a probability of negative values, so it cannot be also a solution. And so let's see the third possibility. So it will be 2a plus 2b, which is equal to 14. So a plus b is equal to 7. So when we substitute 7 into one of the equation here, so 7 plus ab minus 6, so 7 minus 6, that's 1. So minus 1, ab will be 12. And also, so here we have all positive values, and let's see this one. Also 2a plus 2b, which is equal to 14. So a plus b also, that's 7, and let's substitute 7 into one of this equation. So 7 plus ab minus 6, which is equal to 1. So 7 minus 6, that's 1. So ab will be 0. ab will be 0. So from possibility 3 and also possibility 4, we do have a plus b 7, ab 12, and also a plus b 7, ab 0. So from here, we do have a plus b, which is equal to 7. So most probably 4 times 4 and 3, and also for a b, which is equal to 2. So 3, 4. That means a might be 4 and or a might be 3 here. And also from here we do have a plus b, which is equal to 7. So a number whose sum is 7 and whose product 0 is most probability 0 and 7. So ab, which is equal to 0, so 0, 7, which means a may have 7 and also 0, and also b may have 0 or 7, but it is not a solution because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So our only solution will be a, b, a, that is 4, 3, and 3, 4. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.